Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Let's work with multiply using expanded form, pages 67 and 68. Remember that there are three ways to write a number. Standard form is the way we write number. See, this is standard form. Another way, word form. This number is 262,400. So word form is the second way. And finally, where do you go, Daniel? And finally, the last way to write a number is our topic today, expanded form. Expanded form show us the value of each digit. The number 2 is it's 100,000. The 6 at 10,000. The number 2 1,000, and the number 4 100. So we write the number according to its position. To do this is not difficult. What we do is to add zeros, replace zeros for the numbers. See, 0, and this is a number 2. This is the first one. Then, because I want to explain with this one. This one was the first one. Then the second number is 6, okay? So I write a 6. And after the 6, I write zeros according to the rest of the digits, right? Pay attention, please. After the number 6, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So I write 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. The next number is a 2, and after the 2 there are 1, 2, 3 zeros, so I write 3 zeros here. Okay, then the number 4, 2 zeros, and when the value of a digit is 0, I do not include it. It's not necessary here to write plus 0 because these zeros are not going to change the answer. They are not going to change the final answer. And of course, expanded form is an addition. It's an addition. So these are the three ways we can write a number. Standard form, the way we write numbers, the most common way. Word form and expanded form. We saw this in first partial. Now let's work in the book, page 67. Example 1, use expanded form. Multiply 5 times 143. 143. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. There are 3 lines here, and 143 has 3 digits. So the number 1, we're gonna write it in the first one. The number 2, the number 4 in the second, and the number 3 in the last one. 143. But are you copying, Alan? Now, according to the positions of the digit, 1 is in what position? Remember, 100 positions, exactly. Remember that we also have a place value chart. Okay. The positions of the book.
Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, right? Or the next?
Next Thursday. So we have 1, ones, tens, 100, and 1,000. So according to the positions of this number, the 1 is in the 100 position. And after the number 1, we have 2 digits. So we have to add 2 zeros, okay? How many digits are after the number 4?
1.
Only 1, just 1. So here, the number 4 is in the 10th position. I have to add 1 0. And the number 3 is in the ones. Do I have to add?
So there's not another number. So
No 0, exactly. No 0 because there is not another digit after the number 3. So now our multiplications written in an expanded form is 5 times 100 plus 40 plus 3. Now we are going to divide this addition into 3 different multiplications. 3 different multiplications because we are going to multiply 5 times 100, 5 times 40, and 5 times 3. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to divide. We are going to separate the 3 multiplications. The first one, 5 times 100, and I put this multiplication inside parentheses and then plus, because we have an addition here. So at the end, we are going to add the partial products. Every multiplication represents a partial product of the answer. Right, Gabriel? Every multiplication represents a partial product of the answer. Yeah?
I don't know why, but I cough.
You cough.
I was doing like this, but the page of the book se manchó un poquito.
Clean it up.
No, but now it's dry now. It's dry.
Okay. So second multiplication is 5 times our second addend, 40. And you close parentheses. Plus 5 again times 3 inside parentheses.
Miss, I have a question for you. You already put the Christmas tree.
Not yet. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work.
Yes.
I
Okay.
already have my house decorated of Christmas, but not upstairs.
Okay. Now, think and record. Multiply the 100. We're going to multiply 5 times 100. So this one also could be or looks like distributive property, right? Because we are breaking
So we need
apart.
to copy to paint that.
You can color that. Really, Daniel? Wow, those are rules in your house. Okay, multiply the 100. 5 times 100. So it's 5 times 1. 5, right? And then we add 2 zeros. 1 and 2. $500.
I already did it because it was too easy.
Second step, 5 times 40. 5 times 4?
200.
20, right?
20.
20 plus the 0. Or we have to add that 0. 200. Okay. And the last one,
6,600.
color please in your book these pieces. I am using different colors, but you can use one color. Sit down properly, Isabella, otherwise you're gonna sleep.
Miss, I am used for three
Different colors, okay.
Correct.
And the last one is 5 times 3. So look at this one. We multiply the first one, and then it says plus. We multiply the second one, plus. And the other one, the last one, plus.
600. 600. We have 600.
Miss your camera.
Okay. Now, we have to add. We are going to add the partial products. Isabela, ya le dije que se siente bien. O que por supuesto que si usted se acuesta se va a dormir. Siéntese bien. No se recueste. No se recueste, por favor. So, okay, so 500 plus 200 plus 15. Look at this. They are aligned. ¿Qué pasa si yo lo alineo así? Si yo hago esto y pongo el 15, como empiezo a escribir from the left, what happens if I do this?
That is impossible.
Sometimes there are people that make these kinds of addition like this. Y le da 1000, 1050. What happened here? Well, 500 plus 400 is 900, but 900 plus 15 no le da 1000. So the position, como usted alinee los números es importantísimo. So, porque le puede dar una respuesta que no es cierta. So here is 5, 1, and 7. So 5 times 143 is 750.
715.
715. Okay. Are you copying, Gabriel?
We will finish.
No. We're going to work in another page.
Finish me.
Finish, Miss.
Okay, I think everyone finished because I have been working very slow. Very, very, very slow.
You were
Okay.
gonna do the 69 too.
No, 67 and 68. Okay, let me erase this because I don't want to erase the displays value share. Okay. Oh, the color here. Now, example 2. Use expanded form. The gift shop up at the animal park orders 3 boxes of toys. 3 boxes of toy animals. Each box has 1,250 toy animals. How many toy animals does the shop order? So order 3 boxes, okay? And each box has 1,250 toy animals. We have to write 1,250 in expanded form. So the last one is a 0. What happened with zeros? We don't write it because that 0 is not gonna change our addition. So we don't write it. The first one is 1. The second one is 2. And the last one is 5. 5, right?
And the one turns in 1,000, I think.
¿Qué pasa si yo escribo el 0? Recuerden that any number multiplied by 0 equals 0. Entonces me va a dar un 0 siempre. Cuando multiplique yo 3 por 0, 0. Y al final voy a sumar 100 más 2 más 5 más 0. O sea, ese 0 no me va a cambiar la respuesta. That's why it's not necessary to write it. So 1 is in the 1,000 positions. After the 1, there are 3 digits.
So we need to write
If it is
comma and
1,000,
digits.
this is too big. Wow. You
A
understand.
comma and 3 zeros.
The next one is the number 2. Is in the 100 position. Needs 2 zeros. And the last one, the number 5, is in the 10 position.
So it's a 50.
We need 1 0 only. You have to be very careful with that. Now, multiply the first one. Oh, we are going to complete this multiplication. This is the first one. 3 times 1,000.
Yes, finally, I have half page for like a week of the thing that we're gonna use finally today.
Oh, really? Okay, so the second multiplication is 3 again times. What is the second factor, guys?
1,000
Is here. The first multiplication is here. 3 times 1,000.
1.
3 times?
1.
But why 3 times 1? It's not 3 times 1. Let's see. Okay, we are multiplying 3 times 1,250, right? This. So in order to make my multiplication easy, I use expanded form. So I write a number according to the positions in the place value, according to its value. Then that I did that, I have to multiply my factor times the 3 numbers of the expanded form. Okay, multiply, because that's what it says here. I have to multiply. Each item, I have to multiply 3 times 1,000, 3 times 200, and 3 times 50. So what is the second multiplication here? I already have 3 times 1,000.
2. 3 times 2.
3 times 2 only.
2 times 20 means 20. 200.
200, exactly. Because the number 2, this number 2 is in the 100 position. The value of that number 2 is not 20. It's 200. So I have to multiply 3 times 200.
But then of the 2, there are 2 digits, so you need to put 2
That's
digits.
3 times
50.
50, exactly, which is the last adding here in esta addition. Let's multiply, guys. 3 times 1 or 3 times 1,000.
Is 3. So it's 3,000. 3,000.
3,000. So you're gonna copy in the step 2. 3,000. One number in each box. Esto es un grid. You have to write one number on each box. 3,000. Second multiplication. Gabriel, what are you doing?
Sorry.
3 times 2.
6.
6. Plus 2 zeros, right? So I have 1 0, 2 zeros, and 6. 600. Are you copying, Alan? ¿Por qué lo escribo desde ahí? Porque si no, si lo escribo desde el otro lado, el 6 me va a quedar debajo del 3. Y aquí 2 ceros y acá. Y no puedo sumar 6 más 3. ¿Por qué? Porque el valor del 6...
Because the number of down is bigger than the up one.
Porque el valor del 3 no es el mismo que el valor del 6. No puedo sumar peras y manzanas. El 3 es
But it
pera
can
y el
be,
6 es
for
manzana.
example, 7 plus 6 can
Okay.
be
Next. 3 times 5.
30.
No,
Oh, sorry. I confused.
don't worry. 3 times 5. Gabriel, no lo veo. Otro que se me está recostando. 3 times 5, guys. 3 times 5. Ajá. The homework is going to be again study tables. Vamos a hacer oral quizzes again. No, it's not 12. But only Jose Enrique is trying. Ryan, 3 times 5.
Miss,
Yeah.
15.
15. Aha. And this one has 1 0, so I write 1 0 and that 15. And now I do the addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 6 plus 1, 7. And 3. The answer is 3,750.
But in 3,000 you didn't put comma. In 3,000.
In my 1,000. Yes, I did.
No. In the one that 3,000. You didn't put.
Look at it.
No.
Yes, it do.
No,
This
that
one.
one that is up. That one that is up. That is
Oh,
in the top.
yeah. This one. Okay.
Finish me.
Everyone finished because I
Yes.
have maybe 3 more minutes and I need to complete this page. I miss something. I miss 3 more exercises.
Only we have 1 minute. We finish.
Okay. Everyone finished?
Miss.
Yes, miss.
Miss.
Yeah?
Only we have 1 minute.
Yeah, but I need to finish 3 exercises. Number 1. Let's do this quickly. See, we already have the expanded form of 213. So we have to copy here the multiplication. What is the first factor that we have to write here?
2.
2 and 2 zeros.
Is 200 here, but inside the addition, Isabela, no la veo. Y ahora para el otro lado, Isabela, colabore, porque si no, no es posible que se duerma. Chicos, de nuevo, hay que dormir de noche. Acuéstense más temprano. En la mañana ya no se puede dormir. Okay, so we have 200 plus 10 plus 3. What number is missing here?
The 4.
The 4, exactly. The 4 is 4 times. And then parentheses in the expanded form of 213. Now, each multiplication, 2 times 200. Oh, sorry, 4 times 200, 4 times 10, and 4 times 3, right? The 3.
I know the answer of 4 times 10.
4 times 200, 4 times 10, and 4 times 3.
4 times 10 is 40.
40. Okay, 4 times 200, 4 times 2, 8, right? Four times 2, 8. And I add 2 zeros, 1 and 2. Next one, 4 times 1, which is what Majo says, is 4 and 1 0, 40. 4 times 3, 12. So we have to add this. We're going to write it here, 800. You're going to write it on the grid you have there. 40 and 12. Then we cross plus. This is 2, 5, and 8. So here it is 852. 852.
I finished, Miss.
I finish, Miss.
Excellent job.
Miss, I finished.
Excellent job.
I finished, Miss.
Who is copying? Who is copying?
I finish, Miss.
No one, Miss.
No one. Okay.
Chris.
Please, why people when you say, is someone copying, they say I finish.
I have no idea. They didn't listen to me. Okay, very quickly, I am going to do the procedure of these two exercises. Participate in order to do it, and then you copy only the answer. Okay? So we have, no, this is too small. Let me make it a little bit bigger. 4 times, parentheses, the expanded forms of 59. The value of the 5 is 50 plus 9. Close parentheses. Good. Second is, I am going to separate each multiplication. So I'm gonna write 4 times 50, close parentheses, plus 4, again, times 9. This is what I did, okay? So I multiply 4 times 50 and 4 times 9, and I have two separate multiplications. Please look at the screen, porque nadie me está copiando. What I said is copy the answer only at the end. Then I multiply 4 times 50 is 4 times 5, 20, plus 1 0, 200, plus 4 times 9, 36. 36 plus 200 is 236. So that's the answer here, 236. The next one, 3 times 288. So 3 times, open parentheses, because I am going to write the expanded form of 288, which is 200 plus 80 plus 8. Close parentheses. Now I am going to separate that 3 multiplications. I have 3 multiplications because my addition has 3 items. Isabella, you don't have to copy. You have to copy only the answer. 200, because I need your attention. Plus second multiplication, again, 3 times 80. Close parentheses, plus 3 times 8. Close parentheses. So 3 times 200 is 3 times 2, 6. Plus 2 zeros. Plus 3 times 8, 80 is 3 times 8, 24. And I add 1 0. Plus 3 times 8 again, 24. So we add this, 600 plus 240 is 840 plus 24, 864. 64. So that's the answer here, 864. Copy that answer, please.
Finish, Miss.
Finish, Miss.
What page
Gabriel,
we're gonna
in
show you?
what
Finish, Miss.
you are?
Finish, Miss.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm just checking the cameras.
I finished, Miss. I finished, Miss.
Okay. Diego, did you complete the page? Did you miss something? Because you entered late, and I guess it was because you had problem. I saw you at the beginning, and then you log in again. Did you copy everything? Quickly, please.
Look, Miss, this is the page. Oh, francés.
Diego, tell me.
In the part number.
What number? Exercise number?
The 2.
Exercise number 2, or is exercise number 1? Show me your book. And what exercise you didn't do? Okay, you missed this one, but you almost finished it. You almost finished it. It's 4. You can complete it again, I guess. That's it. And did you complete the first page? Yeah, okay, that's great. Okay, guys, show me your books very quickly, please, to finish this class.